Meet John. He's lived and worked in North Carolina all his life, and he's worried about his employment future and his family's financial security. He's seen the impact of North Carolina's struggling economy. He's got friends who've lost their jobs or seen their careers stagnate. He's heard the talk about eliminating North Carolina's income taxes and instead expanding the sales tax. He could use a bigger paycheck, but would that mean more business opportunities, more jobs, and greater job security? Imagine every North Carolina worker getting a bigger paycheck because the state income tax is gone. Imagine North Carolina reopening for business by eliminating the tax found to be worst for growth, investment, and opportunity. Today, North Carolina is no longer a growth leader. We're struggling with the fifth highest unemployment in the country. Median household income, once rising and above the national average, is significantly below average. Job and income growth, also above average in the 80s and 90s, have flatlined since. Our tax code isn't just unfriendly to business, it's among the worst in the nation. All of this when our state has to compete for growth industries against other states and other countries. Things will only get worse unless we change them. We've got to reform our tax code to make progress, maximize North Carolina's growth potential, and start putting people back to work. But how? Almost every economic study available shows state income taxes are the most harmful state taxes, and those states with no income taxes far outperform the rest. State sales taxes are far less harmful. States relying mostly on sales taxes have higher economic growth, more jobs, and lower unemployment. Don't North Carolinians deserve better than a tax code that's produced years of job loss, dwindling opportunity, and declining income? Of course we do. And it's not just studies. Basic economic theory and just plain common sense tells us that taxing income-producing activities like work and investment results in less economic activity and fewer jobs. Research proves sales taxes are also a more stable, predictable source of revenue, without wild revenue swings, so state budget writers don't need to panic and hike our taxes again if another downturn happens. What if North Carolina dropped its personal and corporate income taxes and instead expanded and slightly raised its sales tax? To find out, we partnered with a respected consulting firm which found that such tax reform will significantly increase personal income growth for residents while creating hundreds of thousands of jobs. In fact, if we'd switched to a sales tax in 2000, we'd already have another $25 billion in personal income and between 217 and 378,000 additional jobs. It would mean a lot to a state with over 9% unemployment, the fifth worst in the nation. Time is running out. Delay is not an option. Too many of us are struggling to find work and pay our bills. It's time we restore North Carolina as an economic leader. Turn our state back into a home providing opportunity and financial peace of mind for all our working families. With more jobs and the bigger paychecks pro-growth tax reform will bring to North Carolina. To learn more about what tax reform will mean to North Carolina's economy, please visit www.noincometaxnc.org.